I go slowly. So, okay, right. Today we are going to look at the fourth important results. Now, what is this result about? Now, you look here at this thing. They say that if you integrate a definite integral consists of two terms or two functions, right? If you integrate this as a whole thing, the two terms as a whole thing, it is the same as integrating them separately. Okay, one more time. If you want to integrate one term like that, very big one, consists of a few terms, the definite integral is the same as integrating them individually one by one, right? Okay, so why the plus or minus sign? If these two individual functions, they are added together, then you also add the other two definite integral. If these two definite integral is subtraction, then you also subtract them. Okay, right. So we look at one example like this, right? We look at one example like this. I want to integrate from 1 to 4 2x plus square root x. Now, according to the results here, it should be the same as integrating from 1 to 4 2x dx, then plus integrate 1 to 4 square root x dx. The upper limit and lower limit is the same as upper limit and lower limit on the other side. So they are saying that these two are equal. So how to convince you that they are equal? So I'm going to integrate the left hand side and get the answer. I'm going to integrate the right hand side and get the answer, and whether they are the same or not. If the answer is the same, then they are the same. Then we go and look at the working and see why they are the same. Okay, right. Okay, the next step, on the left hand side, I integrate the two terms at one time. Okay, I integrate at one time. 2x become x squared. Square root of x become, square root of x is actually x to the power of half. It's actually x to the power of half. So it becomes, you add 1 become 3 over 2. Then you have to divide by 3 over 2. And the upper and lower limit, they are 1 and 4. Okay, right. Now on the other side, on the right hand side, I try to integrate them separately. Integrate 2x become x squared, and I substitute 4 and 1 into the x squared. Then I integrate this separately, right? Square root of x, I integrate it separately. Then I try to substitute the 4 and 1 also, right? I want to see whether these two numbers, they are the same or not. Okay, right. Okay, so now I try to simplify the function first. X squared is still x squared. 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2. So divided by 3 over 2 is multiply with 2 over 3. 3 over 2, x to the power 3 over 2 is square root of x cubed. So this side, I just simplify and leave it there. And the upper limit and lower limit, they are 4 and 1. Right? Now on the left hand side, on the right hand side, sorry, this one's I just copy down. X squared is still x squared. The limit is still 4 and 1. All the limit must be the same, all the limit must be, you cannot change the limit. Then 2 over 3 square root of x cubed, I am also going to integrate for substitute 4 and 1 inside. So far okay or not? Li Ying, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, okay. So I continue. Okay, next one. So now I substitute the numbers inside. In order not to confuse you when I substitute the numbers, I put in one number, one color, one number, another color. Okay, so I put in 4. Okay, I substitute in 4 and I get one number here. I substitute in 1 and I get another number here, right? But this number consists of two numbers inside the bracket. I'm supposed to use the first bracket minus the second bracket. Now over here, I substitute in 4 and 1. Also, I created two brackets. And I substitute 4 and 1 into the second term. Also, I create two brackets. Now, if you look at the number here, can you see it is got the inside the pink color box, okay? And the number on here, which is also inside the pink color box on the right hand side. Here I have 4x squared, or here also 4x squared. 4x squared minus 1 squared. Here also I have 4x squared minus 1 squared. Now over here I have 2 over 3 square root of x, square root of 4 cubed. Here I have 2 over 3 square root of 4 cubed. Same. Then minus 2 over 3 square root of 1 cube. Here also I have minus 2 over 3 square root of 1 cube. Now you see that all the numbers, you compare them term by term, they are the same. And also you compare the sign term by term, they are also the same. The only thing is the arrangement of the numbers are different. So the value should be the same. Okay, right. So we look at another one. Now I try to simplify them. Right, use the calculator, simplify. I end up having 19 and 2/3. This side also 19 and 2/3. So when, okay, I give you time to think first. So okay or not?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, right. So now I explain again. Okay, if you want to integrate a function consists of two different functions, it is the same as integrating the two functions separately, then substitute in the numbers separately. So this result tells us that these two types, they are the same, they are equivalent, they are the same, they are equal. So why are they equal? We look at this part. Now when we substitute the numbers inside, the numbers on the left hand side and the numbers on the right hand side, they are exactly the same. The sign also for the numbers, they are the same, except that the arrangement is different, right? The numbers, they are arranged differently. Right? Here all the orange color together, green color together. On the right hand side is orange green, like that. So they're actually the same number. So by right, they should be the same, right? Okay, so you remember they are the same, right? Now we look at example here.